What's going on, you guys? In today's video, we're gonna be doing a couple little things to the 05 Cummins right over here. One of which is new tires. As you can see, these things are getting pretty dang low, so definitely gonna throw some new tires. And the other thing, which is kind of more of a maintenance thing, is as you can see underneath there, I hope you guys can see it, the rear pinion seal is leaking. We're gonna have to fix that. Technically, I should probably do that before I get the new tires on, but I'm actually gonna go, these are a 265, 70, 17. I'm gonna go up to a 285, so should give the truck about an inch of lift, make it a little easier to get underneath the truck. So that's why I'm gonna do the pinion seal after the tires. Since we are getting new tires, what a better way than to send off the old ones than a nice little burnout. So I'm gonna go out and see if we can find a little spot and see if we can go do a burnout. Guys, sorry I couldn't get any good footage, but all the roads that I used to use are now pretty populated, so I just had to do that real quick right there for you guys. That was pretty crazy. We're gonna head back home now, and then we'll go get some new tires. Here we are underneath the truck. As you can see, we got these nice brand new tires right here. So I'll show you guys what they look like from the outside after we get this pinion seal installed. But as you can see, got the drive shaft, and you can see it is leaking right there. So let's start taking this apart. I got me a little strap here, that way my drive shaft don't fall down. And yeah, let's take this off. I already got my 15, and let's start doing it. We just took out the 4 bolts, and there we go. The drive shaft is disconnected. Kind of reposition that up there to get it out of the way. Now I need to figure out how to get this bolt off. When I watched a video on YouTube, it was on a 2nd gen and it just had a normal size, so I don't know what. Hopefully I have a socket for this right here. This is like a freaking million-point nut or whatever it is, I don't know. But definitely does look like it's been replaced before on this, because I mean it's got like Loctite in here and stuff. It looks definitely not factory, so trying to find a socket for this, and let's see if we can take it off. Hey guys, after going to the store and getting this 36mm socket here, which by the way, for any of you guys out there trying to do this at home, it's a 36mm. This was like the hardest part, trying to figure this out, but went to O'Reilly's, got that for like 11 bucks, and there we go. We got the nut off. As you can see, fits in there. Honestly, probably could do it like a 35mm, but I think a 36 worked. I had to use the air gun here. So yeah, got it off after cranking on it for a bit. As you can see, it's marked there from whoever did it last, and honestly I marked it there too. I mean, it's exactly the same spot, so I just marked it there, put a little mark here and here, so when I put it all back on, you put it back in the exact same orientation I took it off. Yeah, here's a little washer behind it. As you can see, it has like some sealer stuff there. Probably just peel all that off, but now we just need to pull this guy off. So I think I'm gonna go grab a rubber mallet, start banging on these little corners here, try to get it out, or try to just pull it here real quick. Well, I had a little bit of a dilemma here. So trying to pull this off right here. Obviously pull this off the pinion shaft, and as you can see here, got the puller on it. You know, it pushes this on here, pulls it off, and as you can see, this right here has broken. I mean, snap that right off. I don't know. This thing's not coming off. I'm almost thinking I'm just gonna have to pay the dealership $200 to get it done, because I don't think I can get this thing off right here. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So I just got that off after unscrewing one of these bolts on the claw things, and it just freaking shot off, and yeah, it just cracked the screen on the GoPro on the other side. So I think I'm giving up on this one. I'm sorry, you guys, but I think I'm just going to take it to the dealership. It was 200 bucks. I thought I'd be able to do it myself, but I cannot get this thing off for the life of me. I don't know how other people did it. I don't know. I seen a guy do it on a 2nd gen. It looked pretty easy, but I don't know. Maybe mine just stuck on there, rusted on there. It is not coming off. This piece will not come off. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I don't know, I'm just going to take it to the dealership tomorrow and have it done. I'm going to put this all back together and get the drive shaft back on, and yeah, sucks, but broke a tool. Now I just cracked the GoPro getting the tool off, so that kind of sucks. Yeah, I'm not gonna deal with this anymore. I'm just gonna take it in, let them do it. Now I guess I'll just show you guys what the truck looks like with the new tires on it, but sucks I can't do this. Just gonna have to take it to the dealership, something I guess I just can't do. Where we last left off, we just broke the axle thing back in here, basically the puller to get that axle seal off. So I ended up taking it to the dealership, and I ended up just going there and having it replaced. Ended up being about $140-ish, and I actually got the front one replaced too. They offered to do that, so got the front and rear. Sorry, it's really hot out here. Pinion seals replaced in the truck, which is really nice. And as you can see, here's the truck with the new tires right here. I mean, you can see, still got all the little hairy things on them. These tires right here were $591, so definitely on the cheap side. And giving you guys like a little review of it, I can definitely tell you guys right now, not the best quality. Get a lot of floatiness in it, and these things are noisy, like really noisy, but they look nice, they're good. I mean, for $591, a set of like BFGs would have been probably $900 to $1,000. So, you know, you get what you pay for. You know, I'm not gonna get the best quality, you know, paying so little for them, but they do look nice. I do like the bigger size, the 285 7017. There you guys go. There is the truck right now. We're actually going to get ready to head up north, and so I'm grabbing this trailer, and maybe have to make a little Razor video for you guys. My cousin just bought a Can-Am, so we're gonna maybe do a little comparison there for you guys. I think that'd be really cool. As far as the new vehicle for the channel, no one has guessed it right. Vehicle I'm very familiar with, and it also has an option I've never had. So there you guys go, those are the hints, and it is used. I will say that it's not a new vehicle for the channel. So if you guys want to keep guessing down below, I think I pretty much just gave it away right there. But yeah, I'm still waiting on the trade to clear, because it was a trade in at the dealership, so I still gotta wait for that. That's why it's taking so long. They're just having issues with the bank, the guy who traded it in. So still trying to get the new vehicle for the channel. So if you guys are excited for it, put your guesses down in the comment section below. If you haven't already, hit the like button on the video here and subscribe to the channel. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys a picture of what the tire looked like after doing the little burnout here at the Cummins. Put that on the screen. But yeah, there you guys go. The Cummins has no leaks right now, and we got brand new fresh tires on it. So that's just really good right there. Not the exact ones I wanted, but obviously these are way cheaper, way more affordable, and these do have a 40,000 mile tread life warranty. So that right there will be really nice for, the life of the tire. Hopefully it lasts that long. Also, don't trust Discount Tire, because put like 72 PSI in this one and put only 45 in the other one. So I was like, why is this driving so bad? I got home, checked the PSI, and of course they messed it all up. But that, and they lost one of my caps too. Freaking just can't get good service these days. But yeah, so there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, post cool stuff there first, at the O2 Cummins Ram. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video, hopefully with that new vehicle. Okay guys, so I was gonna make a whole separate video here of the Razor and, well, the Can-Am over here, but since this one here got a flat tire, as Emily's showing right there, we will not be doing that. That's why I'm just adding this right here onto the end of the other video for you guys. As you can see, the Razor has 1,000 miles on it. Just amazing with all those nice aired up tires. And this Can-Am barely hit 100, and Canada right there. But there's our rescue right there with the trailer. So see you guys later. I'll definitely have to make a video for you guys comparing the two some other time. Thank you guys, and see you guys later.